If you recently changed out your KeyFob battery, which I did on this Nissan Ultimate car, I'll show you how to actually make it work again in your car. So if you've changed out the battery, and the majority of batteries that's used with these KeyFobs are the 2032, which is pretty easy to do. And there's tutorials on YouTube on how to change the battery out. But if you've noticed that you're not able to unlock your car, or it might not even start the ignition, I'll help you reset it. So that's basically what you need to do, is reset the new battery that will fit in your vehicle. Now this will work with Nissan Altima, most Toyotas, most Fords, Hondas, Jeeps, Subarus. So the majority of vehicles, this method will work. The only thing that you're going to need to do is just reset it. So we've got our new battery in the key fob. So what you're going to do is take out the physical metal key that's inside the fob. And so for example, with the Nissan, only thing you have to do is just hit this little release and it will slide out. And it's like that with Fords and the majority of vehicles. So what you're going to do is expose the key here. So what you're going to do with the lock, you're just going to simply go in a clockwise motion and then a counterclockwise. And you're going to do this 10 times. And this is actually resetting the new battery for your key fob to start working. So after you do it 10 times, it should start working. Now, if it doesn't work for whatever reason, there's usually a place inside the vehicle. So for example, in the glove compartment on most vehicles, on the very left side, there's another little key switch ignition thing, just like on the door. So what you're going to do is go inside the glove compartment and find that little ignition thing, and you're going to do it another 10 times, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, 10 times in the glove box. And then that should reset it to where it will start working with your vehicle again. If you don't have like the key fob button, like this one right here, this is the push button, even if it's the one where you actually turn it with a regular turn ignition, you do that 10 times. So you stick the key inside the ignition and you would go 10 times. All right, and again, this will work with most vehicles. All right, thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you like it. Thanks.